Welcome back to our channel. Dear viewers, today we have something really exciting to discuss, a unique and intriguing topic that involves a tiny yet significant piece of history. We're going to explore the value and history of the 2002 penny coin and, more specifically, the intriguing world of coin clipping. So, buckle up and let's dive right in. Let's start by talking about the 2002 penny coin itself. This coin, featuring the iconic Abraham Lincoln on the front, is a part of the fascinating world of numismatics. In 2002, the United States Mint produced billions of these pennies, making them relatively common. However, even in their commonality, each penny carries a unique story. Now, you might be wondering, why would anyone be interested in a seemingly ordinary penny? Well, the devil is in the details, my friends. Some of these pennies hold extraordinary value due to a process called coin clipping. Coin clipping, historically speaking, refers to the act of shaving off metal from the edges of a coin. Back in the day, when coins were made of precious metals like silver or gold, unscrupulous individuals would clip small amounts of these metals from the coins and melt them down to make new coins or other valuable items. Now, while the 2002 penny is not made of precious metals, it is still susceptible to coin clipping. Some collectors find clipped pennies intriguing because they are a glimpse into an age-old practice, even though the value of these clipped pennies lies more in their historical significance than their monetary worth. So, you might be asking, how does coin clipping affect the value of a 2002 penny? Well, in most cases, a clipped penny won't significantly increase in value unless it is part of a collection or has a particularly fascinating story behind it. Collectors often appreciate these coins for their uniqueness and the historical context they provide. If you happen to come across a clipped 2002 penny, it's essential to understand its historical value and keep it as a collector's item. Remember, it's not always about the monetary worth, but the story each coin tells. The obverse shows the crowned mature head of Queen Elizabeth II, facing right her effigy known as the fourth portrait. The Queen wears the girls of Great Britain and Ireland diamond tiara, a wedding gift from Queen Mary Her Majesty's grandmother in 1947, which she also has on the machine and the Gottwald portraits. In small letters below the head, the artist's initials ERB for Ian rank broadly. Around the effigy is the monarch's legend and the date. Elizabeth Aini D. Da, Reg A S D Die, 2002. Translated from Latin, Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith 2002. And there you have it, folks. The intriguing world of the 2002 penny coin and coin clipping. Remember, every coin has a story, and even the smallest details can unveil centuries-old practices and traditions. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining us today. Stay curious, keep exploring, and until next time, happy collecting.